In this episode of After Walk, we go behind the scene with Edmund to how he shoot the entire solo hiking with just a GoPro Hero 9. Now this is Edmund, and we recently released a solo hiking video over at our WeReview channel featuring Edmund's journey at Sungai Pisang's hike. The rule of engagement is that he would attempt to shoot the entire video with the GoPro Hero 9 while I shoot the behind the scene, how this was done. Now we know that the GoPro Hero 9 is kick-ass action camera. The only problem is that we are not kick-ass extreme sport athlete, but hiking, that we can do. And yes, he shoots solo, he will stage a shot and then come back for the camera. One of the biggest considerations of using the GoPro as the only camera for ultra-light hiking and otherwise ultra-light camping is the compact size of a camera to use to make these cinematic shots. We explore how the GoPro 9 has improved over the years in giving some great imagery and videos straight out of the camera to create hiking and camping content. First up, the most visible update from the previous GoPros is the front-facing screen that's next to the lens. The facing screen makes vlogging a lot easier. This itself is worthy of an upgrade from the previous version of the GoPros if you plan to vlog plenty. This is their best looking footages yet from any GoPro, with video up to 5K 30 frames per second, 4K at 60 frames per second, 2.7K at 120 frames per second, and a whopping 240 frames per second at 1080p. And as any GoPro cameras, the ability to submerge the camera underwater gives us a different vantage point and give us a peace of mind doing things like this. The GoPro Hero 9 updates with Hyper Smooth 3.0 helps to get the most stable videos for GoPro yet. For this shoot, we only had one battery for the GoPro 9 for this review. Having the ability to charge and use the GoPro with the power bank is definitely a welcome feature. The GoPro Hero's onboard microphone does a decent job in recording audio. Now, hiking by the strong flowing river probably wouldn't be the best location to test out the mic. A medium mod which supports a 3.5mm audio mic input is sold separately if we want to up the game in the miking department. The dynamic range can be a little challenging, but then again, we do not shoot in Pro Tunes flat profile, which could possibly be able to save some of the highlights in these shots. Some of the best use case of a GoPro is the ability to mount the camera in many different scenarios. The first person view gives another vantage point to capture different kind of experience. And the GoPro Hero 9 packs even more features that we could explore in a hiking trip like this. I personally like the Hyper Smooth 3.0 paired together with the horizon leveling in the GoPro Hero 9 for cinematic shots. We didn't even manage to test out the 20MP raw photo capabilities of the GoPro Hero 9. We like that the GoPro Hero 9 is compact, small, and the ability to place or mount the camera in many ways. I personally gravitate towards to videos on the GoPro placed on a tripod for this kind of hiking video. Solo hiking can be a lot of work as it feels like you are hiking the same route twice while cracking your head to frame the next video to move the story forward. Now we managed to make a cup of coffee before the rain started pouring hard on us. The plan was to dive into the waterfall and chill, but the rain came and it didn't felt safe to stay on. We quickly packed up and started our hike back to our car. Overall, I think that the GoPro is the go-to tool to capture these kind of moments when need so for ultra-light hiking and camping. I'm using the 2016 Samsung NX1 to capture the behind the scene footages, which is playing along with the GoPro footages in this clip. A modern day full-fledged SLR would definitely give a better quality footage, but don't possess the versatility, the convenience, the size and the durability of a GoPro Hero 9. Now notice that I don't have any more footages from my main camera in this ending due to the rain. The video quality has been steadily improved years to years, and the GoPro Hero 9's footages are coming out looking pretty good. So if you are into documenting your hiking and camping journey, the GoPro Hero 9 may be your answer. If you have not watched the solo hiking video at WeReview, the link is at the right top corner or the description below. If this video was helpful in your purchasing decision, please click on the like button, and if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and join the gang. I'll see you guys on the next video.